Woman Who Mastered 2026 is live. It is a hackathon organized by the Inspire for Her with collaboration of Logitech. It is a national level all-woman hackathon. The goal of this hackathon is to encourage women innovators, problem solvers, and future technology leaders. So let's get started. The woman from any college in India, then you are eligible. Second, if you are graduating in 2026, then you are eligible. The decision is completely individual. Here you do not need to make a team. Selection process. Firstly, you have to register yourself. Second, there will be an online MCQs assessment. There will be total 30 questions which you have to solve in 30 minutes. And this assessment mainly check your logical understanding and learning ability. And based on your score, accuracy and speed, you will get shortlisted for the next round. Next round is Zonal Hackathon. In this, the shortlisted candidate will automatically group into team of 5. And the team will group according to college wise. And if there is not sufficient member from the college, then the team will be grouped according to the 4 zones. So these are the 4 zones you can see. And here the team will receive the problem statement before 48 hours from the event. During these 2 days, you will research on the problem statement, prepare presentations and develop the solution. And on the event day, you have to present these presentations among the jury members. And remember, the travel expense at the venue, it's your responsibility. The grand final, the best team from all the 4 zones are qualified for the grand final. Final round will be conducted at the Logitech headquarters. The winning team will receive the 1 lakh. The first runner-up will receive the 75,000 and the second runner-up will receive the 50,000. And all the participants will get the participant certifications and goodies. Now the important dates. The registration is open from 23 June to 21 July 2026. Second, the online MCQs assessment will be held on 25 July 2026. The next round, Zonal's round, is held on 8 August 2026 and the grand final will be conducted on 10 September 2026 at the Logitech headquarters in Chennai. Why should you participate? So, if you do not win, but you should participate because it is a great opportunity in this. You will explore a lot of things. You will learn about AI and machine learning. Here you will work with the new teammates. Here you will get the networking from the industry expert. Here you will gain the experience to present in front of the industry professionals. And the best part is this will boost your resume with a national level hackathon. I think every woman should participate in this. If you are graduating in 2026, it is the best career opportunity and to grow in your career. And if you want more this type of video, just like, share and subscribe every day.